Good morning students. This video is regarding map practice for class 12th from book Fundamentals of Human Geography. The weightage for these maps in your exams is 5 marks, and these maps are only for identification, not for labeling. This is syllabus. Like first we have largest countries in the world from each continent. Then we have primary activities from chapter 5. Then we have secondary activities, industrial regions. Then we have transcontinental railways from chapter transportation, chapter 8. Then we have major seaports. Look at this, inland waterways. Then we have major airports also, and mega cities of the world from chapter 10. This is syllabus. So first map is regarding mega cities and airports. The red dots, these are the mega cities. Like first we have Tokyo, we have Shanghai, Delhi, Mumbai and Sao Paulo. These are the mega cities. Now in the black dots we have major airports. First from Japan, Tokyo. We have Beijing in China, Darwin in Australia, Wellington in New Zealand. Then we have Moscow in Russia, Mumbai in India, Jeddah, Aden, Nairobi, Johannesburg in Africa. Then we have Buenos Aires and Santiago in South America, Chicago, New Orleans, Mexico City in North America, and in Europe we have Berlin, London, Paris and Rome. So these are airports and megacities. The next map is of seaports. Firstly again from Japan we have Yokohama, China, Shanghai and Hong Kong, Kolkata. From India, Karachi, Pakistan, we have Suez and Aden also. Durban and Cape Town from Africa, Perth, Melbourne, Sydney from Australia, Rio de Janeiro from South America and Valparaiso also from South America. And from North America we have San Francisco, Cologne, New Orleans, and from Europe we have London, Hamburg and North Cape. So these are the seaports. These are the largest countries of each continent. So Russia from Asia, we have Australia, Algeria from Africa, Ukraine from Europe, then Canada from North America, and Brazil from South America. These are the inland waterways. First we have the Rhine waterway, Rhine river which flows in Germany, in Europe. Then we have Suez Canal. It connects Red Sea with Mediterranean Sea. Then we have Panama Canal. It connects Atlantic Ocean with Pacific Ocean. Then we have St. Lawrence, that is in North America. So 4 inland waterways. These are intercontinental railways. You have three intercontinental railways in your syllabus. First is Trans-Siberian. You have to mark the terminal station of each in transcontinental railway. So first is Trans-Siberian, Vladivostok to St. Petersburg. Then we have Trans-Canadian, Halifax to Vancouver. And third one is Trans-Australian, which is from Perth to Sydney. So you have to mark terminal stations of each transcontinental railway. This map is from secondary activity chapter 6. This is the industrial region, Ruhr industrial region of Germany. Then we have Appalachian industrial region from North America, Great Lakes, the red part, Great Lake industrial region, and then we have Silicon Valley, which is known for IT industries in the world. Areas of subsistence gathering. This is from chapter 5, primary activities. So areas of subsistence gathering are Eurasia, Southeast Asia, northern fringes of Australia. Then we have Congo Basin in Africa. We have Amazon Basin in South America and Canada, northern parts of Canada in North America. Then areas of nomadic herding. This is also from chapter 5, primary activities. Again we have Eurasia, Central China and Mongolia, Arabian Peninsula, Southeast Africa and northern parts of Africa. Look at this map. Then we have areas of commercial livestock rearing. This is parts of Asia. Then we have Australia, New Zealand, parts of Argentina in South America, and parts of Canada and USA. This is areas of extensive commercial grain farming. This is very important map. Like we have Canada. In Canada we have prairies, pampas of Argentina, then velds of South America, then we have steppes of Eurasia and downs of Australia, Canterbury of New Zealand. You have to learn the names like steppes, velds, downs, Canterbury, prairies, pampas, and you have to identify these places. Areas of mixed farming. Northwest Europe, Northeastern America, tropical lands of South America, and temperate land of Africa. You have to write like this only: temperate land of Africa, tropical land of South America. So these are the practice sheets. Practice sheet number 1. I am giving you one example only. Like if we are identifying the place B is mega city. So I have to identify which mega city is this. So this is Sao Paulo. Like that you have to identify all the places. This is practice sheet 2. Like here we have B again, terminal station of intercontinental railway, and we know in Russia we have Trans-Siberian railway, so which extends from St. Petersburg to Vladivostok. So this is St. Petersburg. So like that you have to identify all the places. Largest country, like A is the largest country in Africa, so that is Algeria. So like that you have to identify all the places. So like that you can like that only you will get the map in your exams also. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much.